Okay, I don't know what week we're on. I think I'm on week 5. Basically, it's Sunday night, and this is the last of the week, and I didn't get to reinforce this entire wall here. It looks like I'm actually going to put in another door over here that will connect this wall to that wall to keep the wall from moving. But on this side of the wall here, I've got it all insulated the best that I can, and I reinforced it every 16 inches like it's supposed to be. So I'm real happy with this, and I had the electrician come and put a 240 volt so I get some heat in here, and I've got the rest of the wood down here to get started on this right side. So I'm making some progress. However, I bought a new toolbox, and I didn't want it shipped here, but they only had one left in stock, and they didn't know if they were going to get any more in. And it's so massive that, I mean, it didn't look this big in the store, but it might cause a problem here. So, yep, welcome to my world, baby. Can't wait for next week.